Hey, what's going on, guys? Booster Whips. Today here, we're gonna go ahead and do the maintenance on the oil catch can for the Mishimoto. I had totally forgotten to look at this just to see how much blowback there is. So I've already done like about 2 or 3 oil changes. So we're gonna see how much content is in this catch can. I've already loosened up so you can kind of see it on the video. So you can just really unscrew. I'm using some really nice gloves which gives you a nice grip. If you're like me, I have slippery hands. It's really hard to kind of get this unfastened, but let's just go ahead and get this out of here and see how much content there is. So be very careful not to drop. And there's a lot of fluid in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and dump it on the on an empty water bottle. But this is after 2 or 3 oil changes, so give or take about 12,000 miles, and it's a little bit above half of the actual cup. So let's go ahead and see how much it is. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pour this in here. Wow, it's very thick too. So that's about how much blowback there is on there. So other G70 owners, if you can go ahead and comment below, let me know how much content are on there. Is this excessive after 2 or 3 oil changes? But I would say it's definitely working on the Mishimoto catch can. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Booster Whips, I'm out. Have a very pleasant day and God bless. Don't forget, obviously, to put this back. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean this inside and out, and then just basically tighten it back up. Thanks for watching, guys.